I'm Chris Williams. I'm the Director of Communication Operations in the Davis School District. Welcome to episode 6 of The New Now. In this episode, you'll hear from Shawna Cragun. She is our Director of Custodial Services. Then you'll hear from one of our Assistant Superintendents, John Zerbakken.
I'm Shawna Cragun. I'm the Director of Custodial Services for Davis School District. I know everybody's got a lot of concerns with the COVID-19 situation about how Davis is handling the situation. So I wanted to answer a couple of questions for you really quick. Regarding how we first came to know about the situation and what we started doing immediately. So in January, it became very obvious that COVID-19 was coming to the U.S. and it was something that Davis would have to deal with. Our daily cleaning protocol is very, very good. But along with that, we have an emergency protocol that has several steps that we can step to based on our level of concern. We have many products inside of our district that are effective at combating COVID-19, and we partner those with wonderful electrostatic devices that we run a hospital-grade disinfectant through. They're fantastic devices. I'm sure most of you have probably seen these on the news, used in other districts. We've been using them successfully in Davis for 4 years. We have highly skilled and trained custodians. They focus on protecting health every single day. But with this current situation, their job has become even more critical. Anytime we've had a concern with a COVID-19 exposure in a school, we've immediately gone out with our electrostatic devices, partnered with a hypochlorous product, and cleared the entire facility. So I know some of you have had questions about how we're going to facilitate the device check-in. I wanted to make sure that you're aware that we'll be cleaning and disinfecting all of our buildings thoroughly. We'll be staying vigilant through that process, making sure that we're repetitively doing that process and staying on top of it. But we have arranged for a curbside drop-off of the devices, so students and parents can do that at the curbside without accessing the facility at all.
Thanks again to Ms. Cragun and our custodial staff for having done such a wonderful job of maintaining our facilities and making sure that those facilities are healthy spaces for people to inhabit. You can rest assured that when you come to check in either your child's electronic device, or you come to pick up graduation gowns, or you come to pick up your child's belongings that are at school, that those facilities will be in tip-top shape and they will be disinfected and will be a safe place for you to go. It's a big job when you're talking over 90 facilities, but our custodial staff under the direction of Ms. Cragun has done an amazing job and will continue doing that to ensure the safety for both our public as well as our employees.